Hello traders and welcome back. In this video we're going to be talking about volume. Okay, so volume in Forex, we have the volume indicator. It shows us how much volume there is in a particular currency pair. So what is volume? Volume in Forex trading is the number of lots traded in a currency pair within a specific time frame. It's basically the quantity of funds transacted. Okay, so that's all you need to know about volume. And also, when volume increases, it then means that a lot of traders are very interested in transacting that currency pair. So volume is a vital technical indicator, as a lot of traders look to it to add depth to their trading and help them make better trading decisions. A lot of traders use volume to make informed decisions, better trading decisions. Okay, so when the volume increases, some traders tend to see that as a confirmation for their direction. Okay, so they tend to see that as a confirmation for their direction. I personally do not use volume so much. I personally do not use volume in my trading. Trading has a lot of things and you just have to choose the ones that work best for you. I personally do not use volume, but I've seen traders that use volume and it works for them very perfectly, and they've mastered the principles of volume trading and they use that a lot. So that might be what you want to do. If that's what you want to do, this video will be an introduction for you. But of course, I'm going to teach you the ways I trade in this course. But volume is just for you to understand that there's a concept like volume, and it helps traders make better decisions. So this next slide shows us the volume indicator. So we can see that this is volume. Okay, we can see, so how this indicator works is that the longer the bars here, the longer the bars, the more the volume. The longer the bars, the more the volume. I don't think this slide shows us perfectly how volume reacts. So let's go to trading view and then just come to indicators here and type volume. Volume. So let's just click on volume and we can see that volume has appeared here. So the volume indicator has appeared here. So now you can see then that this period was characterized by lower volume than this period. And you can see that at this point, volume increased. Volume increased at this point. So there was more traders making more trades here. Okay, so at this point, you can see that there is more volume. Let me just make this. Okay, so we can see that volume increased and then the trend just changed. Okay, we can see that volume increased at this point also, and then the trend changed. So some traders take note of things like this, scenarios like this. Some traders take note of this increase in volume to confirm their buyers. Okay, now actually I don't really use volume for trading. But I know that people use volume, and people that understand how to use volume properly use volume and to make very good trading decisions. When we go to MT4, we can actually activate volume by going on properties, then going to show volumes. So when you click OK, we then see that volume appears here. When you zoom in, you see an increase in volume, decrease in volume, increase in volume, decrease in volume. So when there's an increase in volume, it typically means more people are interested, more money is going into that direction. So what if there is just an increase in volume and then the trend just changes? It gives you a bit of idea that probably the direction of the market wants to change for good. But that's just an example. But that might not be accurate though, because I don't really use volumes to trade. But that's how many other traders use volumes to trade. Many other traders use volumes and they're making money with the concept of volumes. So I just thought that for this course, you should have an idea of the concept of volume. So that's it for this video on volumes. And in the next module, we should be diving deeper into technical analysis. This video rounds this module up on trend law and candles, candlestick charts, candles. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to learn about technical analysis. When we go to the next module, we'll be diving deeper and even deeper and deeper. So hope to see you there. Bye.